Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can delete our comments on someone else's Instagram post. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram and we're going to learn how we can delete our comments. So the first thing I'm going to do is add comment to this post. Alright, and let's see how we can delete our comments. So just tap on the comment section, and as you can see, this is my comments and I'm going to delete it. Just tap on the comment, tap and hold on the comment until this option appeared on your screen. Then you can click on this delete button right here. Right, and now the comment has been deleted, and that's how we can delete our Instagram comments on someone else's Instagram post. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.